Think all chole are the same? Wait till you try Pindi Chole. Spicy, tangy and absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. I have soaked the chickpeas overnight. This helps them cook better and faster. Let the water boil. Till then, I will prepare a flavor bag. Take a muslin cloth. In that, add tea powder. This will add a nice color to our chickpeas. Add star anise or chakraful, black cardamom, cloves, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms and tie it well. To the simmering water, add in the chickpeas and the masala potli and some baking soda. This will make the chickpeas softer. Some bay leaves or tej patta. Mix well and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles on a high flame, then on a slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker. See the color? That's because of the tea powder. And see how soft they have been cooked. Discard the masala bag and the bay leaves. Remove and reserve the stock for later. To prepare the masala, add some ghee in a pan. Once it is hot, add in the carom seeds or ajwain. Crush them lightly with your hands. Then add chopped ginger, chopped garlic. If available, you can use fresh garlic as well. Saute for a few seconds. Then add in chopped green chilies. Once they turn golden, add in the paste of onions and cook for a few minutes. Ideally, onions don't go in this recipe, but I prefer them. Add in some of the reserved stock and mix well. Add in salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, dry mango powder or amchur. This adds a bit of tang. Add turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Some more of the reserved stock and cook it well. You can see the ghee coming out from the sides. This indicates that the spices are cooked. Now let's add in the boiled chickpeas and mix well. Add in some more of the stock and mash them lightly. Time to add in some kasuri methi, fresh coriander leaves, some dried pomegranate seeds and lightly mix it. Let's prepare a quick tadka. For that, add some ghee in a pan. Once it is hot, add in ginger and roughly cut onions. This makes the recipe special because that's the way I make it. Add in some green chilies, roughly cut tomatoes, salt and switch off the flame. Then add in red chili powder, fresh coriander leaves and mix. Pour this over the simmering chole and to finish it off, let's add some more ghee. So here it is. Our flavorful Pindi Chole are ready. You can serve them with kulchas, parathas or anything at all. The choice is yours. Do try this evergreen favorite recipe at home and let us know how much your family enjoyed it. Until next time, eat well, live well and stay blessed.